In the world of haute horlogerie, few brands blend daring design with traditional craftsmanship like Moser and CE. They have a talent for taking the complex and making it beautifully simple. And today, we're looking at a perfect example, the new Endeavour Perpetual calendar, Smoked Salmon. This is a modern twist on their revolutionary perpetual calendar, a complication they first introduced in 2005. It's a triumph of user-friendliness, hiding an incredibly complex in-house movement behind a clean, uncluttered dial. The name of this piece, Smoked Salmon, is a clever nod to its color. The French term, saumon fumé, perfectly describes both the tone and the fumé gradient effect of the dial. With its vertical brushed finish, the color shifts from warm amber to deep chocolate, creating a stunning visual effect. The red-gold finished hands and indices stand out beautifully against this rich backdrop. The 42mm white gold case is a work of art, with polished and brushed surfaces complementing the watch's elegant curves. And the caseback is just as impressive. Visible through the sapphire crystal is the hand-wound HMC 800 caliber. This is a technical marvel, featuring a 7-day power reserve and a design that allows you to set the watch at any time of day or night. It's a powerful and precise engine, with hand-finished components that are a testament to true haute horlogerie. Paired with a dark brown alligator strap, the Endeavour Perpetual Calendar Smoked Salmon is a true connoisseur's piece. It's a perfect example of Moser and Kaidiu's signature style, sophisticated, minimalist, and absolutely captivating, with a retail price of Swiss francs 54,000. What do you think of this stunning timepiece? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look at the Moser and CE Endeavour Perpetual Calendar Smoked Salmon, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching,